Maybe they will do. Are you doing like a...
You should do a head-to-head.
Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's it.
Okay guys, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the London Petanque Club and the shotgun event.
Well, I need a dollar, that's what I need. And if I share with you my story, will you share your dollar with me? Bad times coming, but I also,
Both of us climbed up.
well, let me tell you something, all that glitters ain't gold. It's been a long old troublesome road, and I'm looking for somebody come and help me carry this load. I need a dollar, that's what I need. Well, I need a dollar, that's what I need.
Get the plate to see how the league ends
Well,
up.
I don't know if I'm walking on solid ground. 'Cause everything around me is falling down. And all I want is for someone to help me. I had a job, but the boss man let me go. He said, I'm sorry, but I won't be needing your help no more. Please, Mr. Boss Man, I need this job more than you know. But he gave me my last paycheck and he sent me on out the door. Well, I need a dollar, that's what I need. Said I need a dollar, that's what I need. And I need a dollar, that's what I need. And if I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me? Well, I don't know if I'm walking on solid ground, 'cause everything around me is crumbling down. And all I want is for someone to help me. What in the world am I gonna do tomorrow? Is there someone with a dollar I can borrow? Who can help me take away my sorrow? Maybe it's inside the bottle. Maybe it's inside the bottle. I had some good old buddies.